Why do people eat turmeric? Curcumin supplements offer the following benefits, to name a few. 1. Reduced inflammation. 2. Improved antioxidant status. 3. Improved blood vessel function. 4. Reduced heart attack risk. 5. Anticancer properties. Turmeric is generally safe for most people when used as directed. However, some people may experience side effects, especially when consumed in large amounts. 12. These can include 1. Stomach upset. Consuming turmeric supplements in high amounts may cause symptoms, including upset stomach. 2. Nausea. Some people might experience nausea. 3. Dizziness. Dizziness is another potential side effect. 4. Diarrhea. High doses of turmeric might lead to diarrhea. In rare cases, an allergic reaction may occur with symptoms such as hives, difficult breathing, and swelling of the face, lips, tongue, or throat. If you experience any of these symptoms, seek medical help immediately. It's important to note that everyone's body reacts differently to supplements, and what works well for one person may not work as well for another. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new dietary supplement.